How to upload a story on Instagram without losing quality. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload a story on Instagram without losing quality. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Log in to your account or create one if you haven't already. Then, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Here, tap the three lines at the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Use the search bar to search for the Media Quality option. After that, tap on Media Quality and you will find the Upload High Quality Media. Turn that option on, and this will help you upload Instagram stories without losing quality. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.